dissatisfied about not getting answers or explanations as to how this happened. The fact that Anthony Fauci decided to plead the fifth and not answer questions that he has immunity or got a pardon for to cover him from any criminal wrongdoing, and the fact that Democrats circled the wagon other than John Fetterman to protect him, this, if they're smart, is a very important political issue, and it brings up those Maha moms that were such a difference in certain states and certain districts back in 2024. This speaks right to them, and there was some talk that
looking at Unicole,
they were not motivated this election in these midterms. This is the kind of thing that will motivate.
Will this motivate you that Fauci gave you no more information? Joe Scarborough at the start was saying it's a shame he didn't give more information. But now Larry O'Connor is saying the Republicans could weaponize this. Do we have an opportunity to weaponize this for the election if the Democrats covered this up, gave you no information? Because where there's no information, that's where conspiracies rise up. People just make up stuff to fill in the gaps. But we have to remind the voters that the Democrats still give you no accountability and no information about what happened with the Wuhan virus, what its origins were, where it came from, and what happens is people fill in the blanks. I don't want to just fill in the blanks with anything. I don't even care if Fauci gets arrested at this point. I want the truth to come out and then people to vote based on the truth. Do you want to vote for the party where Fauci almost murdered every single person on the planet with a virus, and then the media stepped up and covered it up? And even when Fauci pleads the fifth, Joe Scarborough's over there covering it up with made-up reasons that mean nothing. Will the Republican Party be able to use this in an election? Will the people, Larry O'Connor says that the people are grieved enough and were affected enough with deaths around them and being shut down that this might be an opportunity if the Republican Party is smart, is the caveat he said. Go back and look at it. Problem is the Republican Party is not smart. We do not have good tactics. Our tactics are stupid. We lose elections because of we're off talking. J.D. Vance is talking about UFOs on Joe Rogan. They're off looking at Israel. Still, it's trivial. Here's Seth Dillon. He's responding to this lie they told in 2020. A new poll finds 40% of respondents believe
There's in the last great pandemic in America.